Hey guys, and welcome to Simple Wi-Fi Profits. Today I'm going to review the Simple Wi-Fi Profits program, as well as go through my own experiences with the program and share everything I know with you. So, before we start, I just want to explain briefly what Simple Wi-Fi Profit is. It's a affiliate marketing program created by Chris and Andrew Wright. They show you the 4-step system they used to generate over $7 million before they turned 22. And Chris and Andrew isn't anyone special. In fact, Andrew is a college dropout actually. He was the family failure and nobody believed in him. They thought he would end up in like McDonald's or Burger King, while Chris is a Korean immigrant, and when he moved to the United States, he only knew 3 words of English, and he was able to retire his mom at age 23, all because of the 4-step system they show you within the Simple Wi-Fi Profits program. Isn't that amazing, guys? And here at the screen right now, you can see students' results. Isn't this amazing? A student of theirs was able to generate $40,000 in one day. And over $190,000 in a single week. If you got only 1% of that, how would that change or impact your life? And here you can see Chris and Andrew's results. They were able to generate $127,000 in one day. They were able to generate $409,000 in 1 week. If you only got 8% of that, how would that change your life? And what if I told you you could get all this information, the 4-step system they use, and they used to generate all this money for free? How would you like that? If you would love to know how you can do that, stick around till the end of this video. And now I'm going to share my experience of the Simple Wi-Fi Profits program, and I find it nothing but amazing. They have built this incredible community in where everyone shares what their story and how long they've come, their results, their road bumps. Everyone are out there to help each other out, and that's what I love the most about the community. They make you want to take action on what you learn. They're not just gonna put you through the course and then expect you to go out there and maybe take 42% action. No, they require you to take 110% action actually. But if you're not going to do that, they won't let you buy the course. They make you want to learn the concepts. They make you not only just memorize what they're saying in the videos, but also understand the concepts and the framework of what you're doing and why you're doing it. They make you ask yourself the question, why am I doing this? Why during the course. And my results, I was able to generate $760 within the first week of joining the program. I'm just so stoked to share this with you guys. And what are the pros? I've gone through the supportive community and the incredible in-detailed course that takes you from A to Z, even if you're a beginner or a pro, on everything you need to know within affiliate marketing and how to generate these results. They have monthly live Q&As where you're able to ask your questions and what you're wondering about, and they'll answer you directly on the call. And this program isn't scam. It can make you replace your work income. And what do I mean by work income, guys? It's the income you get from your job. But now during these times, maybe your boss fired you. Maybe you can't have the job anymore because they can't afford to have you there. So what are you gonna do then with your money flow, with your cash flow? How can you generate money? This is all you need, guys. this program, Simple Wi-Fi Profits, is so incredible. It can replace your income 10x and 20x it monthly, yearly. Oh, it's crazy. But the cons are, if you're lazy and complaining, this won't work for you. As I said earlier, they require you to take 110% action on what you learn and not just walk away and take action on 42% and say that it didn't work. Action is required and you need to be willing to put in the work. And who is this for? If you're a student working 9 to 5, or maybe you got fired, like, spare time is all you need. And because you're watching this video, I know you got some spare time. So, but why do you only need spare time? You might ask. Because they'll handheld you through the process. They show you 97% of what you need. You just need to tweak the last 3% to get this up and going. They give you the done for you material, as I said, 97% of what you need they'll give you. But for it to work, you need to like tweak the last 3%, and I know you can do it. I want you to do it. I want you to be able to succeed, because everyone can do this. It's that simple, even your grandma. And if your grandma could do this, you don't have a choice. You can't give up. Are you willing to let your grandma be better than you? No, I don't think so. So, how can you get access today? Remember when I told about the free training? The free training they used when they launched this program. Yeah, for the you remember the free training I talked about earlier? The free training they used when they launched this program. Yeah, you're right. But it's only for the first 10 people who click the first link in the description. If the link isn't available anymore, or the link doesn't work when you're trying to click it and register for the free training, it means that you have lost the chance to take the free training, which show you the 4-step system that Chris and Andrew used to generate over $127,000 in one day. So all I would say to you is to take this chance. It's a once in a lifetime opportunity. It's changed my life already. I was able to generate over $760 in only 2 days in the first week of joining the Simple Wifi Profits program. So I really hope you take this opportunity. I'm so pumped for you to change your life, to take action. Do not procrastinate anymore. This isn't the time to procrastinate. Your family might need you in the future. Your family might need you now. So this is the right, perfect time to take action, because you have plenty of spare and free time. So, for the first 10 people who click the link in the description and registers for the training, will get it for free. If the link isn't working anymore, it means that you have to pay to get access to the whole course. So if I were you, I would click the link in the description, take this once in a lifetime opportunity, and use all the information to turn your life into the life you want. So guys, with all that said, I hope I can see you on the inside of this program. And thank you so much for watching, and I'm hoping that you take action right away, because if you think about it, you're going to forget it. So with that said, thank you, and see you in the next one.